Man, it's been a while since I've done any videos. I've been feeling pretty crappy. I'm just now getting where I think I can start working on stuff again. So I decided to come back out here and start working on my GMC because it's going to be ready to go before I know it, and well, I need to make sure it's ready. So today I'm going to try to get the hubs changed out to the Yukons from the mile markers and get my sway bar disconnects mounted where they fold up and pin up out of the way. That might take a while to figure out, but we're gonna start trying to make some progress. Continue on a little bit later. I'm feeling a little better today. So I did manage to get the Yukon hubs on yesterday. Really wasn't that bad. No big deal. My wheel bearings and everything were still good, and everything was greased up nice, and they seem to be working good. I have my little sway bar disconnect mounts up to where they're going to work. So now I'm going to work on actually cleaning the truck. I know it sounds kind of ridiculous, but it's pretty dirty. It's got green shit growing on it now and everything else from sitting. So we're going to clean her up a little bit. We're going to use the toolboxes. I'm sure this is all a big mess up in here, and it is. Make sure I got all my spare tools and all that kind of stuff and parts. Clean the bed out. Need to clean the cab. It's a complete mess. I mean, my gosh, we got gloves and holsters and old atlases and all kinds of crap everywhere. Stuff that accumulates when you go on trips. So we're gonna get to working on that. Give it a little bit of bath. I don't know if you can see this green shit and get it off here. And see how it goes and how I feel. And then we'll move on to the next little things I need to do. Nothing too major on this truck. I kind of need to rotate the tires, but if I don't, we'll live. If I do, great. Need to steer the steering wheel a little bit. It's off a little bit. Most people wouldn't bother, but me, it annoys the crap out of me, especially when I drive it a long ways. So we might work on that too. But one thing at a time. We're gonna clean this cab out and wash you outside. Be back in a little while. So I'm going through my glove box in this truck. I mean, this truck's been a lot of places, and that's when you start realizing some of the places you've been. I mean, we've got windrock maps from I have no idea what year. We have a Moab guide from 2016 when I took the truck out there. Got a West Virginia map. Heck, I even have a receipt where I had to buy batteries for my Dodge while I was in Moab. Crazy, some of the stuff that accumulates in your truck over the years. This playing has definitely been a lot of places. Making some progress on cleaning this sucker up. Got the cab pretty much cleaned out. Much better than it was. Found a few things I was missing, like my knife and some screwdrivers. So that's all cleaned out. I did the old Comet wash, which is basically used Comet bathroom cleaner and a sponge with a scrubby on it. And I wouldn't suggest you do anything that's got good paint on it. But on this truck, once a year, I can get away with it, and it gets all the green and black crap that gets all over it, and we're good. So did that real quick. I'll make it a little crazy and try to clean the wheels later, but I kind of doubt it. So we're getting closer to ready. Still need to go through the toolbox and organize all that, and need to do an oil change on it. And those are the two major things that needs to be done. And like I said before, rotate the tires, but not a big deal. So we're making progress. I'm feeling better. So we're getting somewhere. Talk to y'all later.